Hey, James with Detailed Image. Today we're going over the proper wash process. So your first step is to do a heavy rinse. You want to blast off as much dirt and grime as you possibly can in a touchless manner. Next, you want to grab your all-purpose cleaner. You want to spray it panel by panel, letting it dwell for 1 to 2 minutes. What this is going to do is loosen up that dirt and grime and make the wash process that much safer. After the all-purpose cleaner has dwelled, it's time to rinse it away. Now, it's the fun part. You're going to grab your foam cannon and you're going to spray an insane amount of car shampoo all over your car. And what this is going to add is lubricity. Lubricity is the key for the 2-bucket method. It's going to allow that mitt to glide over the paint, release the dirt, and wash it away. You want to work in small sections, light pressure, and in straight lines. And once you release the dirt from the panel, you're going into your rinse bucket, releasing it on that grit guard, and going into the soap bucket and moving on. Once the wash is fully complete, it's time for the final rinse. Now it's dry time. We're gonna do a 2-step process. We're gonna grab our blower and get off 98% of the water, and then we're gonna touch up with our microfiber towels. We're gonna grab our quick detailer, glide over the paint, just giving it a little bit more pop, a little bit more glow, and then we're on to the drive.